If you run a startup in the US, here's the reality in 2026. Comprehensive state privacy laws are already in force across multiple states, and enforcement is expanding beyond large tech companies. Depending on your revenue and the volume of personal data you process, your business may already fall within scope. Here's what founders need to understand now. First, multiple states have active privacy statutes. States including California, Colorado, Virginia, Connecticut, Utah, Texas, Oregon, Montana, Delaware, New Jersey, Tennessee, Iowa, Indiana, and others have enacted laws imposing consumer rights and transparency obligations. Each has its own thresholds, definitions, and enforcement structure. Second, applicability depends on scale, but many startups underestimate their exposure. If you process personal information at meaningful volume, such as customer accounts, SaaS user data, email databases, analytics tools, advertising pixels, checkout information, you may fall within statutory thresholds. Third, data mapping isn't optional if you're covered. You need to know what data you collect, where it comes from, where it's stored, who it's shared with, how long it's retained. Without this, responding to consumer rights requests becomes operationally risky. Fourth, online tracking disclosures must match your practices. Several states require clear opt-out mechanisms for targeted advertising or data sales. If your privacy policy says one thing and your website does another, that can create regulatory exposure under both state law and the FTC Act. Fifth, consumer rights are enforceable. In many states, individuals can request access, correction, deletion, opt-out of targeted advertising, opt-out of sale. Your business must respond within statutory deadlines. Enforcement authority is active, and thresholds are being applied in real investigations. That's why founders work with Entrepreneur Legal US, a New York law firm. At Entrepreneur Legal, you can get access to privacy policy templates and privacy compliance support designed to help startups build compliant data practices as they scale. This video is for general informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Privacy compliance in 2026 isn't theoretical, it's operational. If you want to stay up to date with the latest legal changes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.